subscribed to my channel, what you doing? If you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? If you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mika TV, and I'm back with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back, a part of the Mika Tree gang. And if you're a new subscriber, tap that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Now, in this video, I'm basically here to show you guys how the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna looks on me. And I got this in the shade color 445. So I'm not gonna hold y'all full, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks on me. And you guys let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. And if you're a new subscriber, like I said, hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. And that's it. Let me get you gang out.